family. Today I'm shooting my first POV video, so I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, I'm excited. Hello everybody. So this is exciting. This is my first POV video, photography video that I'm going to be doing, and if you can see me right now, I'm all decked out with gear. It feels a little funny because I'm not used to it. I have like a chesty on with the GoPro. Anyway, it's about 12:30 and we are walking the streets of Istanbul. So the area that we're in right now is actually the Galata Taksim area. I feel like I'm running a little bit. I don't know what I'm rushing to, but I just chugged a Red Bull and maybe I'm just a little bit excited right now. Okay, so this is the part actually that I wanted to see. Yeah. It's really cool. It's really pretty. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's go down here a little bit. Wow. That's so beautiful. It's beautiful lighting right there. You can kind of see the umbrellas too. Love that. Wow. It's kind of a busy street and it feels a little awkward to do this. I think that if it was like locked down still, it might be a little less intimidating because there wouldn't be so many people, but everything just opened in Istanbul on the 1st of March. Put that lower. Let's get up here. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. It's all these little cute alleyways that I just love. These colors, man. Looks like the end of the street, so hi kitty. Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. See, this is my problem. I saw something over here. Oh, yep. Oh, how cute is that? Wow. It's a little camera cafe. That is very sweet. Wow. All right. I think I'm done with that kind of area. You know, I've noticed that a lot of people still read newspapers, which is kind of refreshing to see all of them set out and everything. Wow, it's a beautiful building. Little rustic looking building. He's feeding the cats right there. They just love cats here. Ooh. Pretty. Okay. Up we go. This is just a little car parking area, but the colors are just insane. Wow, look at that. It's a cool little bike shop. I think I got him. See if we can get this guy. This might be cute, the little Pinocchios. Let's see. Try to get this guy with the balloons. Ooh, it's hectic here. Alright, let's see what we're working with. I think he was saying sorry that he's in my way, but actually I was trying to get him in the shot. Some cool lights right here. Play with the gelato. Oh, and there's the call. Prayer call. And we are back. I'm really enjoying this angle right here. This random palm tree. Kind of like these architecture, leading line kind of shots. I think I just like symmetry. I think when everything feels aligned and straight and cohesive, it makes me feel good. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but across because we see a cute alleyway. Pretty. Ooh. I just forget the screen can do that. Wait for somebody to walk. Through here. It's interesting lighting actually. And here is Texas Square. Wow. Did not know this popped out here. I think we're gonna go inside and check it out. Don't know if you can bring cameras in. Oh no, looks like people are. Pretty. It's the first time that's been open. Got some cool shadows right here. Ooh, and we're back outside. Let's get our back outside settings on. Ooh, that's gorgeous, huh?
Beer, wine, and gila.
So here's the bear, or Charlie. Oh, look at this kid. That was really cute. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this point of view video. It was the first one, so we're just gonna see. It can only get better from here. It might be a little rough and a little weird at times, but it was a little weird for me too since this is the first one. But I'm excited. I really enjoyed doing it, and I hope you like all the photos that I took today. So please subscribe and like this video. Bye guys.